Welcome to another video of types of sets. Let's start with subsets. What is a subset? First thing, subset is a set. So, set A will be called as subset of B if every element of A belongs to B. For example, if A is a set having elements 1, 2 and B is a set having elements 1, 2, 3. So here elements of A 1, 2 also belongs to B. So we will say that A is a subset of B and represent like this. But note one thing, that element 3 in B does not belongs to A. So we will say that B is not a subset of A and represent like this. Second is our power set. What are power sets? The collection of subsets is called power set. For example, we have a set A having elements 1 and 2. So it subsets 5. So 5 is a subset of every set. Other subsets are 1, 2, 1, 2. So the collection of all the subsets of a set is called power set and represented as PA. So one thing to note is that all the elements in power sets are set. Here this is a set, this is a set, this is a set. But in set A, these are elements. They are not individually sets. And how to find number of elements in power set? So we have a formula. If number of elements in A is equals to M, the number of elements in power set is equals to 2 raised to power M. Third is universal set. So what is a universal set? Basic set. A basic set is called universal set. As we have seen that A is a set having elements 1 and 2, and we have its subsets as 1, 2 and so on. So here A will be called as basic set, universal set. Or for example, R is a set of real numbers, is also a basic set. From this we will get to our next topic, that is our subsets of R. R is real number. So we have many subsets of R. Some of these are N. N is a set of natural numbers. W is a set of whole numbers. I, integers. I is a set of integers. Q is a set of rational numbers. Here Q dash is set of irrational numbers. So note that all these sets are subsets of real numbers. And last topic is intervals as a subset of R, real numbers. So first is open interval. What is open interval? A interval, let AB is a open interval. This will be called as open interval when its endpoints, here endpoints A and B, will not belong to the interval. Represent as interval AB, a set of Y such that Y is greater than A and less than B. Second is close interval, represented by like this. So it's a set of X such that X is greater than and equal to A, less than and equal to B. Here endpoints will lie in the interval. And our last is open at one end and close at other. So we will have in this two cases. First it is close at A and open at B. Here set of y such that y will be greater than or equal to A and less than B. Here A will be included in the interval but B will be excluded from the interval. And second case is where when it is open at A and close at B. Here I is less than A and greater than A and less than or equal to B. Here B will be included in the interval and A will not be included in the interval. Thank you.